Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, so today is Fashion Week. I'm so excited. So New York Fashion Week, Milan Fashion Week has just concluded, and as I am filming this today, Paris Fashion Week is still ongoing. That is why we have very jam-packed and very meaty, exciting episode for today, because we are going to discuss all about latest fashion from the different luxury brands that we love, but we are going to focus more on the bag because that's how we like it on our channel. So we are going to see the up-and-coming Fall/Winter 2023 bags from luxury bags such as Gucci, Prada, Fendi, Louis Vuitton, Dior, Chanel, Loewe, and many more. So we are going to see what's in store for us this coming fall. And I'm sure you guys want to be on the know and want to be the first and always have an A game with your bag collection. So if you want to know everything all about this new and up-and-coming collection for Fall/Winter 2023, please make sure you watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetar and Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me.
Hi guys, I have curated all the upcoming bags from different runway collections for Fall/Winter 2023 from Milan Fashion Week to Paris Fashion Week. Take a screenshot and check with your CAs for the availability. This will be available third quarter this year. Happy shopping guys! Let us start first with Gucci Fall/Winter 2023 Milan Fashion Week. So the very first one guys, are you loving this very beautiful Jackie bag? Then now going on to the big bag trend, we have the Jackie bag in the slouchier version. So we have here, I love the silver version. So let's take a look again at the red colorway. So these are the newer styles of Gucci. So it's like an east-west bag, and we are going to see the horsebit logo or hardware, and we are going to check out that it comes with two straps with a leather strap and a chain strap teeth. What do you think of this newer bag? I feel that this is going to be one of the newer it bag of Gucci, and as you are going to see, it even comes in the teddy bear version. So we have here another Gucci bag, a newer style. So it comes with the Gucci monogram with the horsebit hardware. Next, we have this very beautiful Gucci shoulder bag, and are you seeing that very beautiful tiger hardware? Now, still at Milan Fashion Week, we have Prada Fall/Winter 2023. So these are the newer styles of Prada. So as we are going to notice that the shape is more of like the triangular shape of the Prada logo. So it comes in the very beautiful smooth calf leather. Then it also comes with the flower embossing. So here we have it in different colors. What do you think of this bag guys? These are the second new styles from Prada. This one I feel is a much more beautiful bag in my opinion. So it's like a tote bag but in a triangular shape version in the very beautiful box calf leather. And this one again, I feel this is going to be the next it bag of Prada. It's like an upgraded version of the existing Prada Clio bag. What do you think of this one guys? Next, we have Fendi Fall/Winter 2023 Milan Fashion Week. So let us start first with the newer styles of Fendi. So we are going to see lots of exotic leather. So we have here this newer bag that looks like a Dior bob bag or the saddle bag. What do you think of this new style? So it comes in the very beautiful box calf leather. It comes in different colors. So it also comes in this very beautiful orange color. It comes in this bright red lipstick color. The second new style from Fendi, here we have this very beautiful tote bag. So it comes in the very beautiful and classic Zucca Fendi print. It also comes in this miniature version. How cute! Then of course, we have the newer classic. So we have the Fendi first. And I love this leather braided material. What do you think of this one? Then of course, guys, let's go to the Fendi baguette. This one, guys, I am so obsessed with this style of Fendi baguette that comes with the multi-pocket that actually came from the Fendi the 25th anniversary. So as you can see, now it comes in the full leather version because the very first one comes in the nylon version. Here we have more Fendi baguettes for you. Then it also have the exotic style of Fendi baguettes. This is going to be super expensive. So we have here very beautiful bag, Fendi peekaboo in the braided leather, and another exotic Fendi peekaboo. Another favorite of mine from their collection is this maxi Fendi baguette, as we are going to see here the enormity, how beautiful this Fendi baguette is. Now let us check out the very beautiful collection of Bottega Veneta Fall Winter 2023. This one is their famous sardine bag. Comes in different color. I love this colorway in black. Comes in brown. Then we have this envelope clutch. We have again big bags coming Fall Winter 2023. Are you guys ready? Newer designs by the new creative director. So here we have leather basket bags. We have very beautiful Bottega clutches. I really love the fashion of Bottega. It's so refreshing, it's very modern and very contemporary. So these are the newer bags of Bottega. I love this new style of the brand. Just look at the yellow gold hardware, so gorgeous. Guys, look, Bottega has their own version of the baguette bag. How cute and how quirky. What do you think of this style, guys? Then we have their version also of the bucket bag with the sardine top handle. And then more of the basket bag. I love carrying bags like this. It kind of makes me want to carry two bags at the same time. What do you think of that style, guys? So we have this very gorgeous color hobo bag. This one, guys, I'm not really sure about this bag. How do you feel about this? Then we have their Calimero bag. Then we have Dior Fall Winter 2023 Paris Fashion Week. So we are going to see a lot of newer Dior bags in this collection, just like this shoulder bag over here in exotic leather. More of their bags in this runway I feel are like more of the ladylike style. Just look at this one, guys. This one, guys, I feel they're going to push it as one of their it bags, like their newer style Dior shoulder bag. This one I love. I love the canage quilting of this very beautiful shoulder bag. Then it comes also in the exotic leather. Comes in very beautiful design like this. This is the newer shoulder bag from Dior. What do you feel about this bag, guys? Me, what I love about this one is the chain strap detail. We have newer totes from the brand with the canage quilting. We have the Lady Dior East-West bag style. Comes in exotic skin. Comes in this very beautiful embellishment detail. Then this is the newer bag, the Dior 9522, if I'm not mistaken. Then of course we have the very beautiful Lady Dior bag. I love the newer style of the book tote. I love the canage quilting. Then they have newer Dior bags that's good for everyday, just like this one. Then it also comes with the logo of Dior, like this, the Dior oblique. Next, we have LOEWE Fall Winter 2023 Paris Fashion Week. So this is the newer styles from LOEWE. So this is a leather hobo bag, and I feel that this is a much better and more beautiful version versus the Chanel 22, in my opinion, guys. I'm so sorry. So what I love about this bag, of course, is the size, and just look at the chain detail. So beautiful. What do you think, guys? And as we know, LOEWE is getting the popularity for very good quality. Here we have the super big bags of the brand. Here we have this very beautiful totes. With these big totes, I feel like it's like more of a pattern of a puzzle bag. Comes in different color and different material as well. Then we have this newer bags from LOEWE. What do you think of this one? Comes in different colors and different shapes as well. Comes in a smaller size, good for every day. They also have their leather basket bags. Now guys, let us check out the newer bags of Louis Vuitton for Fall Winter 2023. I'm so excited. They have so many beautiful bags, just like this one. What do you think? Love that it comes in the reverse monogram. And guys, I just wanted to feature this shoe. What does it remind me of? Chanel, right? Then we have this newer trunk bags. Do you think it would replace the Petite Malle? Very cute. I love the size, I love the shape, I love the chain top handle. We have here a Petite Malle with top handle, beautiful. Then we have here like another version of the side trunk. I feel that this is going to be one of the popular bags. Then hello, welcome back, Alma size PM. What do you think of this one, guys? I'm just praying that this style is not with the all untreated leather. Then we have the newer style. I love the quilting. They're bringing it back from their previous selection. This one, guys, this is like design from their Louis Vuitton Paris store. What do you think of this one? Then they have this very beautiful new style that comes in different colors. I love the S-lock detail, and I feel it's very comparable to the Celine box bag. What do you think, guys? I think this is also going to be one of the popular bags for Fall Winter 2023. Comes in the very beautiful smooth box calf leather. Of course, we have to discuss this dollhouse trunk bag. I feel that, of course, is not really a bag but more of a trunk. Then we have here the very beautiful Louis Vuitton twist bag. So as you are going to see the quilting. How do you feel about this quilting, guys? So the Louis Vuitton twist, I love this bigger version. If I'm not mistaken, this may be the Louis Vuitton twist PM. Comes in different colors, of course. Guys, are you also feeling that it somewhat kind of looks like a ham with fishnets on top of it? I don't know. This is not the first time that they have this style. They are actually just bringing back this quilting from their previous season. What do you think, guys? So So here we have in color white. Maybe in different colors, I love it even better. I'm just so happy that they are bringing back Alma PM into their runway collection. Here we have in this very beautiful quilting as well. And in my prediction, this is going to be one of the hottest LV bag, the Louis Vuitton Dauphine with top handle. What do you think? Here we have more of the newer style. So it comes with this very beautiful like fall print on it. So we have the petite malle. And this very beautiful teeny tiny trunk bag. So beautiful.
Holy wow, that is such an amazing episode, guys. Did you enjoy the up-and-coming Fall-Winter 2023 bags? I would love to hear from you, so kindly comment down below among the amazing selection we have seen for today. Which one is your favorite and which ones are you calling your safe for a reservation? So guys, before we end, I'm inviting everyone to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @PremierFi2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!